If you're new to online learning, this Coursera for Beginners complete walkthrough will show you exactly how to get started and what to expect in 2026. Before we begin, you'll find a discount link in the description below that gives access to the latest Coursera Plus offer, so you can check the current pricing if you decide to subscribe. Coursera is one of the world's largest online learning platforms, offering courses from leading companies and universities including Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, the University of Michigan, and many others. Getting started is simple. First, create a free Coursera account. Once you're signed in, you can search for topics that interest you. After finding a course, you'll see different enrollment options. Some courses offer free access to learning materials, while others require payment if you want graded assignments and certificates. If you only need one specific course, you can purchase that individual program. But many learners choose Coursera Plus because it provides access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and hands-on projects under one membership. Once you enroll, you'll watch video lessons, complete quizzes and assignments, and learn at your own pace. Most programs are flexible, so you can study whenever it fits your schedule. After successfully finishing eligible courses, you'll receive certificates that can be added to your resume and LinkedIn profile. Many beginners start with popular topics like AI, Python, project management, business, or data analytics because these skills are in high demand. Right now, new subscribers can get the Coursera Plus annual plan for $239 instead of the regular $399 price. That's a 40% discount and less than $20 per month when billed annually. The current promotion is available until July 13th, 2026. Check the discount link in the description below to see the latest Coursera Plus offer and start learning from some of the world's leading universities and companies.